Today we are preparing this delicious Ghanaian palmnut soup. Sumptuous. From the look of things, this is going to be so delicious. Anyways, guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, do well to subscribe because you are absolutely going to love it here. In here, I have my pounded palm nuts already, and all I had to do was to add in hot water because this has been in the freezer for a while. But either it's been in the freezer or not, Ghanaian way, you still need to add some hot water to that and mix it with a bit of cold water so you'll be able to mix this well. Then you go ahead to strain this. I actually sieved this for about 3 times because I needed an extremely smooth consistency. Now, a typical Ghanaian palm nut soup does not come with vegetables inside most of the times, but Voltarians will always find a way to add vegetable to almost everything. So this is what I'm using, Yevugboma. That is how we call it in Ewe, Vegbe. We call it Yevugboma. That is the vegetable. I steamed it for about 5 to 10 minutes and I steamed that with water, but this was the water that came out after it was cooked. All you had to do is to add salt to that and cook it without water or a little bit of water. Now, this is my meat. In here, I have cow fat, I have cow skin, and then I have beef. We call this kotoje and wele in Ghana. I think this is what the Nigerians call the panga soup, and we love this. This is my guinea fowl as well. It has been grilled or roasted, but I'm going to steam it a little with a bit of my blended spices and sankofa spice for about 5 to 10 minutes so I can get all the stalks inside before I add it into my palm nut soup. Here, my palm nut soup has started boiling, so I'm going to add in some onion and pepper. Mind you, I have already added turkey berry, garlic, ginger, pepper, onion, all into the mixture even before we sieved it. So this had all the spices inside already. I added in crayfish and also one Maggi. The crayfish is just the shrimp powder. Then I added in my meat that I had already steamed. Yes. Then I'm going to leave this to cook for about some 5 to 10 minutes. Then I added in my garden egg. Now, the moment you see the oil settling on top, just know that your soup is almost getting there or is almost there. So I'm going to add in my guinea fowl as well so that all the stock inside that can also dissolve in the soup. All the stocks from my cow meat, everything has been added to the soup already. So you can imagine how this soup is going to taste. Now I'm going to cover this for a while because I've added okra too. I want the garden egg and the okra to cook a little. At this point, you can see that the oil has completely covered everywhere. So my soup is 90% done. All you have to do is to add in the Yevugboma, this particular vegetable. This is how my mom prepares it, and I think most Voltarians always prepare their palm nut soup with a vegetable. However, majority of the times I see the typical Ghanaian palm nut soup does not contain vegetables because they eat it most of the time with fufu. After that, I added in my smoked fish. I also wanted to add mushroom, but I realized my pot was filled with a lot of meat and fishes. So yes, I have to stop here. At this point, I added in more pepper for more spiciness and some onion for garnishing. At this point, this is calling. This is saying yummy. This is saying delicious. This is saying a must try for everyone. Give this a try. Go and look for Yevugboma. Go and look for this particular vegetable and add it to your palm nuts. The secret is we only add it after the oil has settled on top of the soup. We don't add this when the oil hasn't settled. meaning when the food is almost done, that is when you add it. And imagine all the juice from that vegetable in this soup, coupled with all the stocks from the meat, the crayfish. Oh my God, this is absolutely delicious and a must try. If you love this, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to see more of these videos on this channel. I love you guys. Till I see you next time, is bye.